Question number 1. We have y equals to minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 mod. So we'll find the critical point, which is x equals to minus 1 by 2. So we have the coordinate axis. So we have x equals to minus 1 by 2 is a critical point. So if x is minus 1 by 2 plus something, it will come out to be 1 by 0 will be somewhere infinity. So this will become minus infinity. And when x is 0, it is minus 1. And when x is 0 infinity, it is near to 0. So this graph is going somewhere like this. And when x is less than minus 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2, okay? This point is minus 1 by 2. This is when x is 0, y is minus 1. No, x is minus 1 by 2 minus something. So which is 0 minus something. And when x tending to infinity, it is like this. X tending to minus infinity, it is near to minus 0 minus. It will become 0 and this is minus 0 minus. So this is the curve. We have question number 2. We have y equals to minus mod x plus 1. First, we'll find the critical points. One, mod x cannot be 1. And second, which is saying that x cannot be minus 1 plus 1. And second, x equals to 0 is also a critical point. So we'll start with case 1. X is less than 0. This equation will come out to y equals to x plus 1. And case 2, x is bigger than equals to 0. It will come out to be y equals to minus x plus 1. And x equals to 1 is not defined. Okay, so first we'll go to the coordinate axis and see what is happening there. The critical points are what? 0. When x is bigger than or equals to 0, it is y equals to x plus 1. So when x bigger than or equals to 0 is minus x plus 1. So when x is 0, it is what? 1. X is 1, it is minus 1. So this curve is going somewhere like this. Yes. And when is x is less than 0, it is going somewhere like this. So what can we say is that it is not defined at minus 1 and plus 1. So here we will put a circle. This is 1, this is minus 1. And this tip point is x equals to 0. It is 0, comma 1. So this is the curve. We are moving to next question. Question number 3. We are given that y minus 3 equals to x minus 1. We'll find the critical point for x. It is x minus 1 equals to 0, which is x equals to 1. So we'll take two cases. Case 1, x less than 1. We have y minus 3 equals to minus x plus 1 mod y minus 3. And case 2, x bigger than equals to 1. It is y minus 3 equals to x minus 1. Now we'll go to coordinate axis that we have done in every video. This is coordinate axis. We have x equals to x bigger than 1. So this is the point x bigger than 1, x less than 1. X bigger than 1, we have x minus 1, which is going somewhere like this. We'll draw the complete graph, okay? We'll let it go. And x bigger than equals to x less than 1, it is minus x1. It is going like this. Okay, so now we'll come to the point. This is point 1 comma 0. We are told that if you see this, if y is bigger than 3, it will come out to be y minus 3. If y is bigger than 3, it will come out to be y equals to minus x plus 4, given that y is bigger than 3. So if we check this value, this is what? This value is what? Y equals to 1. This is 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma minus 1. So y is bigger than 3. We will sum this value. When y is bigger than 3, it is minus x plus 4. So which is the same continued graph. So at x equals to 4, it is 0. Okay, once let me check this. So we will see this. What will we see? If y is bigger than 3, it will become y minus 3 equals to minus x plus 1, which will come out to be y equals to minus x plus 4. And when we will put y is less than 3, it will become y minus 3 equals to minus of minus x plus 1, which is x plus 1, and 3 will come this x plus minus 1. When 3 will come this side, it will become y equals to x plus 2. And when we have x is bigger than equals to 1, when y is bigger than equals to 3, it will come out to be y equals to x plus 2. And when y is less than 3, it is minus x plus 4. So if you see the coordinate axis, we are given one critical point as x1 and y3. This is the critical point. So when x is less than 1 and y is bigger than 3. The graph is minus x4, which means it is going like this. And we have when y less than 3 and x is less than 1, it is y equals to x plus 2, which is going with positive slope. And when x is bigger than equal to 1 and x is bigger than 3, it is x plus 2, which is continuation of the same line. And when y is less than 2, 3 and x is bigger than equals to 1, it is this. So now we will have to mention the point. This is minus x comma 4. So when x is 0, it is 0 comma 4. This is x plus 2. When x is 0, it is 0 comma 2. So when it is minus 2 comma 0, y is 0. When it is 2 comma 0, it is 0. It is 4 comma 0. Okay. This is x plus 2. This is x minus x plus 4. So this is the graph. Now we'll move to question number 5. Question number 5 is very simple. Question 5 is saying that let's take, if we take x square minus 1 as a function, if we try to draw the graph, it will come out to be 1 minus 1 and 1. And if we take mod, it will come out to be this way. This will move to this side. So case 1, we have this coordinate axis y and x. Case 1, ln x, we are given ln x, so x should be bigger than 0. In case of ln x, x should be bigger than 0. Now what we see is that we have to see only from here to here. So when x is 0 to 1, less than 1, we will have function equals to minus of x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 ln x, which is minus ln x. And when we will take case 2, x bigger than equals to 1. 1 can't be possible because at 1 we will get 1 by 0 minus 1. So it is y equals to x square minus 1 x square minus 1 ln x, which is ln x. Now this is the time for coordinate axis. The critical point has come out to be, so for ln x, we have normally graph like this, x, we have normally graph like this, okay? And we know that x equals to 1 is eliminated. So at this point, we'll put a circle and we can join this graph ln x and this graph. But for x less than 1, this is negative. That means this is like this. So this is the graph. Thank you.